What's going on? So this is a quick reminder that tonight's lecture is going to be starting at 6 p.m. Central Standard Time. I recommend definitely being on time, not being late, because I'm not going to be wasting a lot of time before we get into this work. Hopefully this video is not delayed, which it looks like it, but either or, we're going to be getting into a lot of different things, starting from the beginning of the initial UCC filing. This is going to be a series, so this is not a one-time deal. This is part one of many. Then once this is complete, we're going to go into a whole nother sector. For those that are going to come late, just letting everybody know that I'm not going to be responding to any emails and stuff like that. Maybe a few, but for the most part, I'm not going to, of course, I'm going to be conducting a lecture, so I'm not going to have time to entertain a lot of emails and or text messages and stuff like that, or inboxes. So those of you still just trying to get in after 6 p.m., you can call the toll-free number, 888-597-8825, extension 104. 888-597-8825, extension 104. All right, peace. Oh, and this is for members only. So if you're not a member, you better sign up at thehellraiserlegacy.world. The link will be in the description. We may be letting certain people in for an admission fee of about $25, but like I said, call the number. Peace.